Senator Chuck Schumer, let me give you a standing ovation for those fake liberal tears yesterday. Because guess what, some guy like me who got pulled over in North Philly in the 90s and still does, with the stop and frisk they used to do on our ass, I don't give a shit about that stuff that you're trying to fake tear for, because your ass didn't tear up for us. And this is why blacks need to get off the damn Democratic slave ship, because these Democrats will go out and they'll vouch for everybody but your black ass. And at the end of the day, you see Schumer over there crying, but he ain't shed one damn tear when Terrence Crutcher got shot. He ain't shed one damn tear when the dude in Miami got shot, and he was a damn worker with a mentally ill patient and still got shot anyway. You didn't see one damn liberal tear then, did you? Get off the Democratic plantation. They're full of shit. Welcome to the real world. You bring shit over here, your people blow shit up, then guess what? They gonna check you out. Just like my people, they do dumb shit. They shoot people, they rob people. So guess what? I gotta deal with stop and frisk. That's what happens when you around a bunch of jackasses. That's why you gotta separate yourself from a jackass. And those Muslims that are good Muslims, you need to separate yourself from the jackass Muslims. Last but not least, there's 40 Muslim countries in the world. Only 7 of them had a ban on them. How come those other Muslim countries ain't taking you in? What the hell does that tell you right there? I'm out, man. Save the gimmicks for the Oscars or something, Mr. Schumer. Quit the bullshit.